Yes, Salamat the official start of Intramurals 2023.
Wala na kayong mga kamay! Once again, we welcome you to the Intramurals 2023!
And now that the program has officially begun, brace yourselves and get ready to shout for your bets. It's time for the much-awaited Search for Mr. and Mrs. Intramurals 2023. Let the battle begin!
Alright, syempre, bago natin makita at makilala ang ating Mr. and Miss Intramurals 2023 candidates, let's first get to know the judges, ang mga kikilates sa ating candidates. Starting off with Mr. Dan Fordan. Mr. Dan Fordan is an educator, artist, youth leader, and financial freedom advocate who served as judge in various competitions, including pageants. He graduated Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Biological Science at Occidental Mindoro State College last 2018. The same year, at the age of 20, he got his various licenses, which include professional teacher, professional financial advisor, certified public servant, and certified events manager. He is a former youth speaker and Philippine youth representative of WPF Philippines, UNESCO, both local and international. And he is also a former private secretary and researcher at the Sangguniang Panlalawigan Office, Occidental Mindoro, where he also served